In this video, I'm going to show you all the different styles of headliner boards that are found in the Holden VE and VF. So this one we're looking at right now is basically the Holden Commodore VE sedan. It's got the rear dome light at the back, so it's just got the single dome light right at the back. You got the grab handles and the front sun visors and the sunglasses console. With this sedan board over here, we have got the rear DVD player section, so roof DVD player, roof radio. We come down to a wagon model now. So this one has the rear single dome light. They can also come out with a cargo barrier. So if you have got that, you would have like 4 or 2 holes at the far back. You might have just some plugs in there. Let us know if you have got that. Then we come across to this one on the right. You will have the roof DVD player or the roof radio. Let us know if you have got an aftermarket DVD player installed. And then you come across to the Holden VE VF Ute. They're pretty much just universal, same on all models. Nothing changes except for the color. And just let us know if you also got that front grab handle on the front passenger side on any of these boards as well. When we get a Holden Commodore VE, WM or VF come through for roof lining repair, there'll be 2 selections to choose from that will match up to the original factory material. So if your car came out with a shadow grey or that charcoal black, well then the number 5 anthracite material, flat knit that we've got, will be the closest match to that original material. So this material will match perfectly if you're leaving, say, the sun visors and the pillars alone with the original factory material. That color will actually match up really well. And then if your car came out in a light gray or a beige colored type of roof lining, we would then go with number 7 cappuccino flat knit material. And that will be the closest match that we have found on the market to match up to the original headlining material on those cars. And then if you wanted to do your job yourself, we also have cans of glue available as well that you can grab on our eBay page. Anyway, see you on the next video.